Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a calendar in Google Sheets mobile. So let's begin. To insert a calendar, you have to make sure that your cell is data validated. So let's validate our data by selecting an entire column. So this is my dates column, so I will validate this column as dates. To do that, click on the three dots right over here, then click on data validation. From here, in criteria, you should select date is valid. Then click on save. Now all of these columns will be validated as dates. As you can see, this is not a date, so it has a red mark in it, and if you insert random data, it will also be a red mark there. So you can just select a cell and there is the calendar icon. You can click on calendar icon, you can pick a date, click on OK, and you will be able to enter a date. Now this calendar icon will appear on all of the blocks when you are editing, because all of these cells are now date. But if you want to remove this data validation, then you can simply do that by clicking on the three dots right over here, then going to data validation, then click on remove rule. Now these cells are not going to be acting as dates. As you can see, I selected a cell. If I edit, there is no calendar icon. So guys, that's how you can insert a calendar in Google Sheets mobile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.